In today's video, I will demonstrate how to compare two Excel files that have a similar structure in terms of rows and columns. The script will find all differences within the documents and highlights the cell a different color. This is a pretty simple example but can be expounded upon for more complex spreadsheets. In a continuation video, I will demonstrate how to send an email with the differences and actually launch the script from within an Excel document. This video will serve as a general guideline, but if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's begin. We have two Excel files. One is the original and the other is the altered one. They contain some sample inventory data, an order date, region, rep, item, units, unit cost, and total. The other file contains the altered data. What we are going to do with PowerShell is compare the two sheets, and if any cell is different, we will highlight that cell in a yellow color. So if we look at cell A25 in both, we see the date is different. So after the PowerShell script runs, this cell should be highlighted yellow. First thing we have to do is create the Excel COM object that references the Excel application. Next, we will open each of the workbooks first and then reference each of the sheets. This is to open the workbooks. And this is to open the sheets named Sheet 1 in each of the workbooks. We need to get the number of rows and columns. We will reference them to row count and call count variables. Our row data begins from row 2. Since we know the spreadsheets are identical in row and columns count, we only reference this in the first worksheet. Next, we create a for loop to go over each row starting from row 2 and another for loop for each column. We assign information from each cell to data 1 for the first spreadsheet and info from the other spreadsheet to data 2. Then we compare data 1 to data 2, and if they are not equal, we change the background color on the second worksheet to index 6, which is yellow. Then let's save the second workbook with our changes made and then close each workbook. We also quit the Excel application. And that's it. This is our files prior to running. And if we run the script, you can see the second file timestamp got updated and some highlighted cells now show. If we compare the two, all the highlighted cells will be different values. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple script. If you'd like to see a build-up on the script where we send an automated email which contains all the differences and would like to launch a script from an Excel macro, let me know in the comments. Real-world use applications could be to send an email alert when a certain inventory is low or a price has been reduced. Depending on how this video does, I can show that as well. Well, thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This has been brought to you by AIP Solutions.